You should be good at this.
I know, I own it, so I still don't even play when I own it.
Ooh. No way there's Star Trek in the back. No kidding. Oh wow, yeah, that's yours. What? Yeah. Oh darn it.
I should just let it go to make the video longer.
Put one of those SpongeBob annotations, 10 minutes later. There you go. Nice. He looks like a vacuum cleaner.
You're gonna say,
oh, what? Dude, that's so cool.
2 in a row.
Fall in.
I'll get in there.
Oh, there we go.
That was weird. I just want to hit it in spirit.
Yeah, sure. Well, because you can rig it, right? On payout? Or no?
What game can you not rig here?
Yeah. Frick my balls.
I just want to hit it in spirit.
Yeah, sure. Well, because you can rig it, right? On payout? Or no?
What game can you not rig here?
Yeah. Frick my balls.
You got that.
Remember, Will, it's quantity over quality here, so...
Wait, so you mean win less?
No, it's quantity over quality.
Yeah.
So win more for your money, not spend $20 on each license plate. Oh, I want to see what that big pink thing was.
Tiny.
What? Tiny, just like
my shoe size. See if we can get this. Oh, that was my fault. I think it does skip. Because I was purposely trying for that one. Because every time I go for the red, it goes to that one.
it probably does it like one in every 15 tries or something.
Oh, that's skip too. I got this. Come on. I'm already broken.
Is this all you're putting on your card?
I might put more. I'm gonna.
Hey, what are you doing? Make the video go on.
Yeah, I know. Oh, that's.
Wait, is this the camera that you're having a problem with the battery?
I just put the battery in wrong.
Typical Asian. I'm kidding.
The whole video we're just gonna be talking in the background. Like,
Since we've been recording for 20. Oh wait, that's just never mind. Gosh, someone's upset they didn't win at the claw machine.
why did you fall down?
What should I try? I was thinking about trying the coin pusher. Because those get pretty decent views.
I'll probably do that too.
Want me to try to reach up there and get it?
What? I got it. I don't want to get kicked out anyways. We just got here.
Let me try.
Oh, thanks. Come on. I need it to like flip sideways.
Gives you like a freaking seizure.
Right in the right.
Ready for your second spin?
stand by?
Oh my god, we have to get this.
Wow.
I don't like it this much. That's a prettier side.
Yeah. So what do you get? You got the... Nice.